Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any damage. First, ensure your Lenovo IdeaPad is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. It's also a good idea to remove the battery if your model allows it. This will minimize any risk of electrical shock while you work. Next, flip your laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws securing the bottom cover. Keep track of these screws, as they are crucial for reassembly. Some models may have hidden screws under rubber feet, so check carefully. Once all screws are removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to force it open as this may damage the clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the RAM slots. On most Lenovo IdeaPad models, the RAM slots are easily identifiable and usually located near the center of the motherboard. If you find that your laptop has one slot occupied, there may be an additional slot available for expansion. To check if your RAM is upgradable, gently press down on the clips holding the RAM module in place. If it pops up at an angle, you can remove it for inspection. Look for any labels indicating the RAM type and specifications. If you're unsure about compatibility, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you determine the right RAM upgrade for your needs. If you don't have the tools or confidence to proceed, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, and we'll handle everything for you. Now, if you want to proceed with RAM installation, align the new RAM module at a 30-degree angle and gently press it into the slot until the clips snap into place. Ensure it's secure and seated properly. After the RAM installation, it's advisable to clean any dust inside the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any debris from the fans and components. This helps maintain optimal performance and cooling efficiency. Before reassembling your laptop, double-check all connections and ensure no tools are left inside. To close the laptop, align the bottom cover and press down gently until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you previously removed, securing the cover. If you require a quote before repair or further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service. We're here to help make your upgrade process as smooth as possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.